Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am heating some oil up to about 300, 320, something like that. I'm going to be making some Parmesan chicken today. I wanted to take you along with me. So while that finishes heating, what I've done is prepared my chicken breast. Now you can either pound each breast so that they cook evenly, or I just cut off a thin slice on the top. That way it's not too large. And then the bottom that I've cut off is not pretty at all. It wouldn't be one you would serve to someone, but I can still fry it up for me and my husband. So right here I have 2/3 cup of panko crumbs and 1/3 cup of Parmesan. I'm just going to kind of mix those together. This would be where if you wanted to use like 1/3 cup of panko and then 1/3 cup of panko that has seasoning, you could do that. But we just want to get that prepared. I have an egg here stirred, and then I have some flour. So I'll be going into the flour, then into the egg wash, coat it with the panko, and into the skillet. I also have the oven heating to 350. We're going to finish it off in the oven on a rack. Okay, I have the first piece of chicken in the flour. So on using my left hand that I'm not touching the chicken, I'm just going to put a little pepper on. You can have this done ahead of time. And a little bit of salt. Then we want to coat the chicken in the flour. Take it over to the egg. Our oven is preheated as well. And into the panko. Make sure it's packed on nice and tight. Check your edges. And we'll put the first one in. I'm going to decrease my heat. It's getting a little too brown there. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Let me get this down here for you. Okay, so these are the smaller pieces. This is what I've already taken up. This one I said got a little browner in the oil than I wanted. It needs to look more like this one. Another one too brown. I mean, it's not burned. It doesn't taste burned. Just for presentation, I don't like it to be that brown. As far as cooking, you don't have to worry because it's going into the oven to finish cooking. Okay, like I said, the oven is preheated to 350. These are going in. We put them on a rack so that they don't get stuck on the bottom and that heat is going to distribute around. It'll also allow some of that oil that didn't drain off to go ahead and drain to the bottom of the pan. That's why I've gone ahead and put aluminum foil just to make it easier to clean up. Now, if you want, you could also roast some vegetables around the chicken while you have it in there. It would have to be a vegetable that doesn't need much, like cauliflower or broccoli, because it's not going to be in there very long, maybe 15 or 20 minutes. Okay guys, they are out of the oven. Easy recipe and delicious. I hope you give it a try.